So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing bar end side mirror because I don't like the look of the OEM one. So I bought this on Amazon for I think £25. So we'll see if this will actually work. So let's get into it. For us to take the OEM side mirror, we have to lift this one up to expose the thread and the bolt. Don't know what you call that, but yeah, those two. So we have to take this one off first and then this one afterwards. So that's one, so it's just a thread like, oh, so it just comes up as one, so that's the locking nut for it. It'll be the same on the other side, so you just have to turn it until it loosens. So as you can see, it looks way more better without like side mirror sticking out. So the next one will be me removing this bar end with an Allen key and then install those ones in here. So if we grab an Allen key, that's what it looks like. So there's like a long bolt with the handlebar on it. So if we just remove that and hopefully just install this in. So yeah, just like that, I've already installed it. So I didn't really tighten it up as much because I want to have a move on the mirror, just because every time I do a full lock on the bike, it hits the tank. So if I really want to do a full lock, I have to adjust this and then just push it back up like that. So in a minute, while it's sunny, while this, I'll go and test the side mirrors if it actually works. So next will be on the other side. Now that we're done, so that's what it looks like in front. looks a lot cleaner. And then that's what it looks like on the side. And then that's what it looks like at the back. Looks more like a lot of retro now, so I really like it. So guys, I'm outside now, and I've been using this for about, I would say, 20 minutes. They're a bit shaky when the bike is moving, but you can still see what's behind. And the thing about it is, it makes me more aware of my surrounding, because I don't have the side mirror to rely on, which is, well, I do, but like, I'm more aware around my surroundings than, you know, than before when I had those two. So yeah. So I'll go around more and see what it's like. So here we go, guys. You know, that's the bike there. The handlebar looks really decent. And we're in Devil's Point in Plymouth. That's what it looks like. I'm home, guys. So yeah, so what's my verdict on this side mirror? So what I can say, it's worth the money. It's a bit shaky. Obviously I only have a 4-stroke 125 bike, so obviously the vibration is inevitable, but for the looks and for the times that I've used the side mirror, it is worth the money. So if you want to grab yourself one of these, I'll put the link on the bio. So also, I've used my new helmet, so that's the Bell Qualifier. So I'm just waiting for my chin mount so I can mount my action camera. So yeah, it matches the bike. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Peace.